Uh, Flying over people. Now, this was a E Rivers 100th anniversary. I went to school there. My kids go to school there, and they asked me to film the the anniversary. And one of the things that I will say is that do not fly over people that are not part of your operation. And in a situation like this, I actually had a lot of parents come racing up to me and say, "Hey, listen, I see the drone up in the sky. It's flying over Peachtree Creek, but why can't you bring the drone in and fly over the kids?" And I was like, because it's unsafe. They're not part of the operation. What if something were to happen? And there is a lot of undue influence out there with people that, want you to fly over them and stuff like that. Don't do it. If they're not part of the operation, don't do it. And one of the things that I did find was that this shot right here was right over our LTZ, landing and takeoff zone. And one of the things that I did notice is that kids are fascinated with drones. So be extra careful. I actually had to bring a couple of people out there for crowd control. And that was just to prevent the kids from coming into the zone where I was landing and taking off. So what I did was I basically took the drone up. It flew over Peachtree Creek, which ran parallel to the field, and was able to get some great shots. Um, but do not fly over people that are not part of the operation.